We're on video. They had eyes on him the whole time.
Yeah.
They were all acting together.
Hey, sir, stop. Turn, put your hands behind your back.
For what?
You're being seen for theft right now, okay? Turn around,
For
put your hands
theft?
behind
I
your
don't
back.
have anything, sir.
JCPenney.
I don't have anything for
All right,
JC
sir, we're going to
Penney.
figure it out, though.
No, you can check me right now. I don't have anything,
We'll
sir.
check you, but you're getting put in handcuffs, all right?
I'm not trying to resist or do nothing.
That's a gun.
That's not mine.
It's not yours. Ooh, it was right pointing at your face.
Wow, how you had that point at my face?
David 41 time for 32.
32? What's a 32?
A gun. That's 2 for JCPenney.
Have to clear this without gloves.